Hey, Stickers.
Hey, Sal.
How you feeling?
Yeah, great. Really, really great.
Been thinking about Doc again?
Yeah. You know, they told him when he was done. He didn't decide. I don't want what happened to Doc to happen to me.
But that hasn't happened.
No, but I can't go out on the track and do the same old thing. It won't work.
Then change it up. Try something new.
I don't know, Sally,
Don't fear failure. Be afraid of not having the chance. You have the chance. Doc didn't. And you can either take it, or you can do what you've been doing, sitting in here for months. And by the way, I love what you've done with the place. I mean, the monster movie lighting and the musky air freshener. And don't let anyone tell you you're not working that primer, because wow, I have never found you more attractive. And now that I've been in here for a couple minutes, the stench, I'm getting kind of used to it.
Okay, Sal, I get it. I get it.
I miss you, Lightning. We all do.
Try something new, huh?
Hey, did it work, Miss Sally? Did you set him straight with your lawyerly powers of persuasion? Is he ready to start training?
Well, Stinky? Stickers?
Yes, Mater, I am. I decide when I'm done.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Okay, but I got an idea, and I'm gonna need to talk to Rusty and Dusty, all right?
Oh, I'll get him on the horn. Get it? On the horn? Oops, hold on. Gotta sneeze. That gum, I lost it. Hey, I'll see it flows. I found it. Hey, watch your step.
Well, I want the cops on every paw